Today we are putting a fun spin on those adorable mermaid cupcakes that everybody loves. We're making zombie mermaid cupcakes today. Yep, we're gonna make these mermaid cupcakes nice and spooky for Halloween. Let's make some zombie cupcakes. Welcome back to Shelly's Bakes Cakes. To get started making these zombie cupcakes, we have to make the cake look zombie-ish too. So when we cut in and eat these cupcakes, it's gonna look so much fun. To start out, I just have some vanilla batter and I've dyed it green, black, and purple. And now we are just gonna alternate putting these different colors into our cupcake liners. We're gonna start out with bright green and we're just gonna start putting a little bit of bright green into each cupcake liner. After that, we're gonna put some black in. Look at the black, guys. It makes it so much fun. After we put some black in, we're gonna top it off with the purple. We're gonna alternate until all of the batter is gone and these cupcake liners are full. Then we're gonna pop these in the oven, and while they are baking up, we are gonna work on mermaid tails. To make our mermaid tails, I'm just gonna use some bright green candy melts and some black candy melts. So all we do is just dump those in a bowl and pop them in the microwave for about a minute, and then they're ready to fill our mermaid tails. All right, we are just going to start. We're gonna put some black right into our molds here. And it's not anything pretty, it's just throw it in. Just kind of fill up as much as you want. I'm kind of filling some of the top, some of the bottom of the tails so we can kind of alternate. And now I'm gonna put the green on top and just kind of fill in where the black isn't. And now we're just gonna get a spoon and we're just gonna swipe across the top. So, I mean, look at that. If that doesn't look zombie-ish, I don't know what does. Now we're gonna throw these into the freezer so they can harden up and be ready. Our cupcakes are baked and look at the colors. I love them. They look so much fun. Now we're gonna get these mermaid tails out. We're just gonna pop them out of our molds and look, you guys, I'm telling you, it's zombies, all zombie here, and I'm loving it. We'll add a little bit of blood here at the very end, so it's not over yet. The zombiness is just getting started here. To start frosting these cupcakes, I'm just gonna use the white buttercream, and all I did is just cut the tip off of my piping bag, and we're just gonna do a swirl right on the bottom. Just right across the bottom, we're gonna do a swirl. And then you see my zombie mix of sprinkles. I just made that up, guys. I just threw a whole bunch of different fun sprinkles in so it looks kind of zombie-ish. We're going to dip this cupcake right into the sprinkles. So just pick it up and dump it right into the sprinkles and then pull it out, and we have some sprinkles on top of our cupcake. All right, I did the same thing as I did when we were making the cupcakes. I just used buttercream this time. So I had purple buttercream, black buttercream, and green buttercream. And all I'm doing is just putting it all into one piping bag so it just kind of mixes together so we can get that zombie look. You're just gonna pipe right on top of the sprinkles that we just placed on top of these cupcakes. I have my 1 end tip, and we are just gonna go 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna release our pressure. We're gonna do it again, 1, 2, and 3. Look at these zombie cupcakes, you guys. I wanted it to look scary and zombie-ish, and I think we're getting that look. Now it's time to add our zombie mermaid tails. So now we're just gonna pick them up and stick them right in that buttercream. Make sure your buttercream is still fairly soft so that you can get those tails in that. If you put your cupcakes in the fridge and then try to put your mermaid tails in, they're not gonna go in. So make sure that you put them in as soon as you frost those cupcakes. After the tails are in and we put a few sprinkles on there, now it's time to really zombie these cupcakes up. So now I'm gonna put this cute little skull on. Okay, it's not cute, sorry. Now we're gonna put this skull right here on the side, and we are going to put some blood on these mermaid tails because they're zombies, guys. All I'm using here is just my red food coloring with a paintbrush, and we're just gonna put a little bit right on my paintbrush, and we're just gonna paint onto our mermaid tails. Just paint a little bit of red. I've also gone down, I'm gonna paint a little bit of red on the skulls just for fun, and I'm gonna paint a little bit down on the sprinkles because we made zombie mermaids. What do you guys think of our zombie mermaids? Do you guys like the zombie dark look, or do you think we should go back and stick to the happy mermaids? I'm kind of digging them, actually. I think they're pretty much awesome. I hope you guys had fun as we made zombie mermaids today here at Shelly's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have a zombie awesome scary day.